Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, amidst winter chill in the national capital, visibility has reduced to near zero in several parts of Delhi as intense fog is gripping. In fact, flight operations have been impacted at the Delhi airport due to dense fog, but operations have now resumed back to normal. Meanwhile, airlines have advised passengers to contact airlines and the airlines concerned for updated flight information. Several trains have also been delayed at New Delhi railway station, and that is due to the heavy fog. Highways have seen vehicles crawling in slow-moving queues. In fact, dense fog and cold day conditions are likely to continue over parts of northwest and central India during the next 2 days, and post that they will improve. Meanwhile, let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who has more updates from on the ground on what the weatherman is saying with respect to these fog-like conditions that are currently ensuing in the national capital.
The city has been reeling under very dense to dense fog situations, not only this morning, but in fact since last night. So currently also we are live from near the Akshardham temple, and on your screens the visuals will speak for itself. The dense fog has caused, we're not even able to see beyond the boundary wall of the Akshardham temple here. None of the tree cover, none of the garden space. In fact, the temple structure definitely is not visible. On your screens right now, you'll be seeing how the traffic movement, you're barely able to see the blinking lights, the headlights and the fog lights of the incoming traffic here. A lot of commuters are also, remember this is a Saturday morning, so the expressway is not jam-packed, and that is quite a relief. But on your screens, you'll only be able to see the blinking of the traffic lights. None of the advertisements on the skywalk right on your screens, which generally is very visible, can be made out as of this morning. And this is not the situation just for the national capital. The neighboring cities as well as cities in northwest India are also reeling under fog. And on your screens also you can see how the fog moisture is continuously moving as well. So we've also been hearing how apart from say the Bangalore airport down south and in fact in Patna, these are the places that still have above zero visibility. Otherwise, whether it is the Palam Airport or the Indira Gandhi International Airport or the Safdarjung Airport in Delhi, they're all reporting near zero visibilities, as well as other airports in Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh are also reeling under near zero visibility. And because of this, we've also hearing from the Delhi Airports Authority that about 15 flights were diverted as of late last night, because remember again, dense fog had started descending on major parts of northwest India since last night.